At the Ohio Turnpike, we like to say that it is a better way to travel, and it's a better way to travel today for all of our customers, not just our customers with internal combustion engines. As I stand here, I have to think, how did people feel 120 years ago when they got together to dedicate a brand new gas station? Because that's when they were transitioning from horses to horsepower. I wonder if they thought that they were looking at a wave of the future, because today, as we are standing here, we are looking at a wave of the future because this is the very first electric charging station on the Ohio Turnpike. Our partnership to get this done was with Electrify America, and they've been great partners to us because we are going to see a lot more electric vehicles on our roads. People can get from their destination, and your destination doesn't start and end on the turnpike. It may start at your home and end up at your vacation destination, and that may be several hundred miles. And now this gets you one step closer to going from Indiana to Pennsylvania on the Ohio Turnpike.